H96 MAX, a powerful TV box with stylish look and tiny body that could easily fit in your hand. Weighing at 120 grams only. A screen at the front, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and 1 USB 3.0 port on the side. SPDIF, AV 2.0 HDMI, RJ45, and DC ports at the back. Powered by RK3328 chipset with quad-core CPU, Android 7.1 OS. H96 MAX supports 5G Wi-Fi that allows you to run the box without buffering strong signal, and it also supports Bluetooth 4.0 connection. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and the possibility of extension with SD card for up to 32 GB. HDR10 and HLP technology ensures the amazing 4K image as demonstrated.